For centuries, people have believed that late nights, muscle pain, and extreme anxiety were an unavoidable part of getting old. But a revolutionary new study at Plant Therapy has brought new light to becoming an adult.
Pre-adults have special cells in their bodies that act as a parasitic siphon, allowing them essentially to suck the energy from adults in their vicinity. As pre-adults reach adulthood in a process we call adulting, these cells can malfunction, and instead of gathering energy, they begin to gather the aches and the pains of the youth around them. This is why a child can fall out of a tree and have very little injury, and yet I get up every morning and feel like I was the one who fell out of the tree.
Introducing Plant Therapy's newest blends to help you adult with style. 9 p.m. bedtime, low back pain, and why am I so anxious? Have you ever found yourself trapped by youthful soul suckers? Make your escape with 9 p.m. bedtime blend and let them feed on each other. Have you been tricked into taking children to a playground where you are bound to absorb the aches and pains destined for them? Protect yourself with the low back pain blend. And Why Am I So Anxious blend is an adult's perfect companion for those times when pre-adults and youth show up when you least expect them. Get all 3 of these blends for the low price of $24.99. Order within the next 10 minutes and get free shipping anywhere in the U.S.